Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna tell you about India's top 10 billionaire businesswomen. I'm so proud to say that we have even more than 10 millionaire and billionaire businesswomen in our country. But I have shortlisted top 10 based on their net worth. So let's start. Kavita Yadupati Singhania. She is a wife of Yadupati Singhania, who is the chairman of JK Lakshmi Cement. She has a net worth of $1.4 billion, which is approximately 10,000 crore. Jayashree Ulal. She is the CEO of the fastest growing cloud networking company, Arista Network. She has the net worth of $1.4 billion, that is approximately 10,000 crore. Arista Network is currently valued at $16 billion under the leadership of Ulal. G. Anuradha. She is a wife of G.V. Prasad, who is the co-chairman and CEO of the pharmaceutical company Dr. Reddy Laboratories. She had a net worth of $1.5 billion, that is approximately 11,000 crore. She is the managing trustee of Dr. Reddy Foundation as well as founder director of Saptaparni, an organization promoting traditional and culture of India. Radha Vemu. She is a sister of Sridhar, who is a founder of Zoho Company, which is an Indian software development company. Her net wealth is approx $1.7 billion, that is 12,000 crores. After graduating from IIT Madras, she joined his elder brother's company in 1997 and hold a majority of stakes in the company. Nilima Motaparthi. She is a director of Divi's Laboratory, the leading pharmaceutical company in India. The report estimates her wealth to be approx $2.5 billion, that is 18,000 crore. With over 5 years of international experience in material requirement, planning and financing, Nilima joined Divi's as a chief controller in 2012. Leena Gandhi Tiwari. With the estimated net worth of $2.9 billion, that is 21,000 crore. She is a chairperson of the privately held pharmaceutical company USV. Leena Tiwari's USV is a pioneer in diabetic cardiovascular medicine in India, and it makes 80% of its revenue from the domestic market. Manju Deshbandhu Gupta. She is a wife of Deshbandhu Gupta, who is a founder of multinational pharmaceutical company Lupin Limited. She has a net worth of $3.3 billion, that is approximately 24,000 crore. Gupta has been a member of the board for over 40 years and is one of the co-founder and the first investor of the company. Smita V. Krishna. She is the heir of Godrej Industry and has a net worth of $4.7 billion, which is approximately 35,000 crore. Krishna isn't new to the list and is an eminent part of the board of directors in Godrej Industry, which is owing 1/5 stake in family asset. Kiran M. Shah. She is a founder and managing director of Biocon, the pharmaceutical company. She has ranked second in the Kotak UN Wealthy Women list of 2020. She has an estimated net worth of $4.8 billion, that is approximately 36,000 crore. She is also the richest self-made woman. Her net worth rose by 41% to $4.8 billion due to the rise in demand of pharmaceutical sector in 2020 in COVID. Roshni Nadar. She is a daughter of Shiv Nadar, who is the founder and chairman of the IT giant HCL Technology. She bagged the first place in the Kotak Wealth Yuran Wealthy Women list of 2020. The list estimates Nadar's wealth to be somewhere around $7.3 billion, that is approximately 54,000 crore. Before joining HCL, Nadar worked at Sky News UK and CNN America as a news producer. अगर आपको हमारा ये रिसर्च वीडियो अच्छा लगा, so please like and subscribe our video and do share with your friend and family and also let them know about this knowledgeable video. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.